Want simple juicy hair curves? Got room temperature IQ like me? Well, you're in the right place. Now you could do this by pressing Shift A, go into mesh, get a little mesh circle here, and sizing it down. Extruding it a bit like this, but honestly this is pretty ass. Oh no, I didn't mean to say that. Get out, get out of here. Okay, moving on. There's a much better way to do this. Super simple. Shift A, we're gonna go to curve and we're gonna go to path. Now we have a line with 5 dots. Click this little green chord, go all the way down until you see bevel, and raise that count up a little bit right there. Here you should see a tube with a bunch of lines on it, kind of like a grid. I highly recommend you lower the resolution counts down here and up here so that the tube has less lines. And add a subdivision modifier just to make things look a little bit better. Also, bonus, probably should also add a mirror if you're gonna do twin tails. This way you don't have to do as much work. You just grab these points and play a little game of connect the dots but move them around a little bit. You gotta watch out though, because you want it to make sense in 3D. You don't want it to look like some weird funky eldritch demon. Actually, you know what? I kind of like this Miku. Grasshopper Demon. Yeah, this is growing on me. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comments. You're gonna type Alt and S and it's going to squish a little bit. If you want things to be easier, you can hit this up here. There's a circle here, it's for proportional editing. All you really need to do is move your mouse wheel and you can see this little thing get a bit bigger. This is the scale of how much you're gonna change everything around the middle of the screen. So if I want to do the same thing I did before, back here, you might see that the length is not actually that long. So all you have to do is go at the edge, make this white again, and just extrude a bit more with E. And there you go. I made this model available for free on Ko-Fi, and animation rigs, VTuber rigs, and VR chat rigs are on Patreon. Thanks for watching, have a good one.